guys, welcome. Kat right here. So for this video and this project, I'm going to be doing some reorganizing. Because probably about 3 years ago, I don't know the exact date, we built these shelves in our garage and it's been wonderful. But man, I just haven't been keeping up the organization. A couple months ago, I was out here just chilling in my garage and I was like, oh, that is a mess. So we're going to start at the bottom. And we're going to be doing that lots of car supplies.
Yeah.
This is probably going to take us a while because we got like trips to the dump and all sorts of things that we'll probably have to buy a couple more supplies. But that's what we're going to be working on, so stick around.
Your version of not organized looks pretty organized.
Yeah?
I'm curious to see what you're going to do to it now.
Oh, awesome.
I mean, it looks like a garage. All right, we'll see what she does. This is a big pile of oil, so we're gonna have to go to the dump, like a special toxic waste building. And
Let's go for a dump run.
Okay, so Kat's grabbing our old oil, and she's gonna take it here to the dumps. We better not catch any of you burying this oil. Make sure you're responsible and you take your stuff to the actual landfill because they probably have the proper way to dispose of this. I just went and signed their little sign-in sheet, so.
So I went onto Amazon and I found these CleverMade CleverCrates. Kind of a folding crate, 45 liters. Set it up just like that. So I went and made all these labelers. We got Jeep supplies, car supplies, engine supplies, and fluids. But basically, we got these. Let's put some stuff in here. So those are definitely very good crates. I would suggest them to anybody, but I'll put a link down below to show you the ones that I purchased. But anyway, look at this. So much better than it was before. I just love that we did this. We'll have to do this with the rest of the shelves, but anyway, I'm done with this project. So remember, work hard, play hard, and we'll see you on the next project.